Hi everyone. Today we will continue with the last workshop by implementing the OCR model so that the reading can be autofill up with the captured image. Let's start now. First, click on the intelligence. Then click on the OCR models. This is the OCR that I have built. The setting is pretty simple. Set the table, set the image column, then set the output column. Done. Let's create a new one. Set the name. Then set the table as TNB. Set the image column as image. Lastly, set the output columns as reading. Once ready, click the Save and Verify Data. Then the AppSheet will be starting to train the new OCR. Then you will get something like this one. Completed.